it's me, Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a video on the KKW Beauty Matte Collection, and this is more like a review, first impressions kind of video. Before we get into it though, I am going to say that the customer service for the KKW Beauty was actually pretty good for the most part. When I ordered the, trying to get it out right now, then let's see here, 90s chic lipstick. So the first one I got, you can see it's smashed and it completely comes out. But I sent them a photo of it and let them know, and they quickly sent me a new one to replace it. So that's always nice, especially with how expensive this is. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So the first thing we're going to do is go in and do the eyes. So I'm using the matte palette. It's the Warm palette from KKW Beauty, and the first shade that I'm going to go in with is going to be a nice light neutral transition shade. So the shade is called Honey. It's just like a really warm, light, kind of like a terracotta almost, just light brown. And so the brush that I'm going to go in with is the Morphe R37. It's just a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to go in windshield wiper motions back and forth on the eyelids. I really found that these eyeshadows blended really nicely. They weren't chalky or anything, and all the shades are matte, and so it's really nice because you have to be careful sometimes when you're blending shade or matte eyeshadows. They can end up being chalky, but these were not, so that was definitely nice quality eyeshadows. So once Honey is applied, then I'm going to go in with the next shade. So the next shade that I'm using is a warmer terracotta shade. It's a little bit darker. It's called Desert. And I'm just going to go slightly above that first shade, and I'm going to just start out at the outer corner of the eye and work my way in, blending back and forth in windshield wiper motions. So you want to avoid any harsh lines, and you just want to make sure everything's nice and blended, and it just gives a little bit more dimension to the eyes. And again, I'm just using the same brush. It's the Morphe R37. And I'm just going back and forth, blending it all out. Once my crease is done, then I'm going to go in with an eyelid color. So for my eyelids, I am using the shade Sandstone. This is a very light peachy color, and I couldn't find an eyeshadow like flat brush. So the one that I ended up using was the Morphe M213, and it worked out pretty nicely. And I'm just going to pat this onto the inner corner of my eye and blend it out onto my lid. And I'm just kind of blending it into the crease colors. So for my brow bone, I am using the lightest shade in the palette, which is called Cream. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a very light, creamy color. And I'm using the same brush as on my lid, the Morphe M213. Next, I'm going to go in with mascara. And it's just the usual mascara that I've been using lately that I'm almost out of. It's the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and it's in the shade Black, I believe. So again, just starting at the root of the lashes and then just wiggling the brush up to the ends. This helps to fully cover the lashes and keep your lashes looking fluffy and not clumpy. Next, I'm going to go in with my lips, and my lip liner that I'm using is the 90s style from KKW Beauty, the Warm Matte Collection. I really like the shade of the liner, but I kind of found that the liner was almost kind of dry when applying. Like, it really didn't want to glide on smoothly and like be workable. And then the lipstick that I'm using is also called 90s Style. This lipstick it's very matte, and it really dried out my lips. It's a beautiful color, but I would definitely recommend like using a very moisturizing chapstick or lip balm or something, and letting that sit on your lips before going in with the lipstick. So next I'm going to go into do my cheeks, and I'm just using the usual Hoola Light for my bronzer and Dandelion for my blush. Both shades are from Benefit Cheek Parade. And I just really like the brush that comes with that palette. It's just a nice angled thin brush that just fits perfectly in the hollow of my cheeks. And then you can use any blush brush that you want. The one that I always use is the TNT 222. I just start at the apples of my cheeks and work my way back. This has honestly been like my holy grail blush brush. I just love it. And that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this quick video. It was a very simple look, and I hope that you find the review helpful if you're interested in purchasing these products. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.